What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the FRE case by OtterBox for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Alright, so I've heard about this case for a while now. The emphasis on this one is about how waterproof it is. It's 2 meters for up to an hour, but the focus is not necessarily on the drop protection with this case. It's more so on the waterproof nature of it. It's made from ocean-based recycled plastic. Pretty cool. Let's get into this thing. Alright, you have your normal packaging material that nobody reads here, and the case itself. One thing that they did include that I normally don't see is the microfiber cloth. Pretty cool. And you'll notice right away some things that are different about this case. It's got a built-in screen protector and a built-in camera protector. Pretty neat. The case comes in at about 2 ounces, which is 55 grams. Doesn't add a ton of bulkiness, but it's definitely going to add some weight to it. You install it by basically taking the phone and laying it down into the front portion of the case and putting the back portion on. Now, I do have my screen protector on because I don't plan on rocking this case daily, but it did go on pretty easily. Corners snap and the sides kind of just slide in and stay with friction from the O-ring that makes it waterproof. This thing feels pretty great right off the rip. I'm not a fan of the built-in screen protectors, but it'd be awesome if the built-in screen protector was glass, but I feel like that's nitpicking when you're trying to waterproof your phone. The dial on the side is pretty awesome, actually. I like it better than the regular toggle. It's really easy engineering that goes a long way. Great job, OtterBox. The buttons, on the other hand, are super tight. I don't know if it's just maybe I installed it wrong or something, but the buttons definitely feel really tight. They totally work, but you definitely have to wrench on them to get it to work. The thinnest part of the case is about 0.5 inches thick. The camera bump goes to 0.63, and we're looking at the widest part of the case is 3.6 inches, and the narrowest is 3.5. Down bottom we have screens over the speakers, as well as a charging port. The charging port has a little rubber grommet in there to keep the water out. The way that it opens to the side is actually quite nice. I tried wireless charging the phone a bunch of times, worked without a problem. The speakers, however, leave a lot to be desired, but again, I feel like that's a fair trade-off when you're trying to waterproof your phone. One thing I did notice was it's a little bit hard to uninstall the case. I recommend getting something like a flathead screwdriver and in the bottom corner, just give it a little twist like so, and it pops it right open. And there you go. If you're looking for an option to waterproof your phone, this is probably it. It's relatively affordable, and it gets the job done. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.